Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial, and this tutorial is going to be a work in progress, and I am going to do for you each week one part of this pattern. This is a paid pattern of mine. Of course it's a mochila, so I am going to do this every week, one part of it. So you can just follow and you can just crochet along with me. I will start this pattern as a clutch. I'm not going to do it as a round base mochila. You can do that if you like to. So if you want, you can just come along with me in the journey of crocheting this clutch, of course with the tapestry crochet mochila technique, and I am going to show you all the pattern one by one. Okay, so for the colors that I'm using are the ones that you see here, and of course I have them here. I will link them in the description box so you can just find them and buy if you want, or you can just find that color matching to the country that you are. Maybe this brand doesn't sell there, so okay. So for a mochila I usually use a 2mm hook, so you have to have that in mind, and we are going to do this pattern. Okay, I am going to explain everything step by step, so each week you will have a tutorial. Okay, so let's jump into a new journey, and I hope you like it. I hope you are considering to subscribe if you are new, and give it a thumbs up. Follow me in my social media. I have an Instagram where I post quite often. I have a Facebook page. I also do a lot of updates about my daily work, and I also have a small Etsy shop, so if you are interested you can buy patterns, mochila patterns or tapestry crochet patterns from there, and you can support my work like this. And okay, so with all these things being said, let's just get into it. I'm going to start with 72 stitches. First, let's to 2 stitches.